Okay, let's plug. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. We have to work. The storm is gone. So let's make no excuses. I plan to walk muna sa Ayala Triangle. Pero sabi ko, the reason why, as usual, of course, like sabi ko, I need my coffee first. And then I have to go to my bathroom rituals in the morning. That takes almost an hour. Not really an hour because I have to go back to the toilet uh like uh 3 to 4 times. Ganon. Ganon. While drinking coffee, I have to go back to the toilet and come back, then go back to the toilet. That's my routine. So I cannot have meetings or I cannot have like morning morning meetings or office because if there is I need to go to the bathroom. I need a nice bathroom because I really have to go back and forth um, due to my digestive active system. Seriously, um, I honestly don't know what topic to discuss. There's a lot of topic issues I would like to share, but minsan, um, yeah, there's topic I want to share, personal ranting, of me, or I want to share something which can help you, kayo, no? Kayong community ko. That's what I call it because I really don't go public. Um, it's a choice between those two. The problem is, minsan iniisip ko naman, if I talk about politics, ang daming tatamaan. Um, if I talk about anti-aging, people won't listen to me because they will ask me, well, you're not a doctor. Di ba? But there's a lot of doctors who commit mistakes, right? Iba nga pumapatay pa sa ospital, right? So, well, of course, I have my compilation and few notes in regards to na matagal ko nang sinasabi sa inyo about my anti-aging book. Um, which I have to really sit down and compile. And it's a lot of work because I don't even know where to start with anti-aging. Saan ako mag-start sa anti-aging? Sarili ko? Is it doon sa mga tao na mamatay? Is it about nutrition? Well, of course, it's about lifestyle. But lifestyle alone, ang dami niyan. Ang dami niyan. Okay? I still have like the leftovers from the COVID. COVID is everywhere. Ayaw nyo lang magpa-test, you know. But it's not a killer disease, you know. But this one is really highly contagious. Okay, I got it then. Buti na lang na agapan ko ng tawa-tawa, which is also a cure for my dogs. Nung nagtawa-tawa ako, nawala. Nawala lang siya bigla. Hindi na ako nagkaubo, hindi na tumuloy, hindi na tumuloy yung sore throat ko. I had stuffy nose, yeah. That's only the thing, no. Anyway, ano, 4 minutes na, oh. Kita mo? Ang bilis na when I talk, bigla mamaya 20 minutes na, para bang ang dami ko na pala nasabi. And yet, para sa akin, I haven't started yet. The reason why I'm vlogging is because, number one, wala na akong makausap. Wala na akong makausap amongst all relatives, friends. Um, the people working for me, I really wala na. It's just like para bang para bang naiwan na it's kind of insulting for those people but hindi na sila nag-move up. While I'm the one who always push myself up. Uh, I rise to the occasion. I face my challenges. I face my enemies. I have enemies. Sino mga enemies ko? Yung mga umuupa. Yung umuupa sa condo ko. Kaya hindi ko na pinapaupahan eh. Ayoko na. Gagawin ko lang studio. Ah, so far, wala na ako iba nakakaaway. Kasi mga abusado, yung mga abusado talaga, they get into me. And of course, paglabanan, gumagante. Not gumagante, but I give them back the hell they gave me. Yun lang yun. You give me hell, I'll give hell back to you. Okay? Uh, yeah, it reminds me of yeah, the movie I saw yesterday on Netflix, Beautiful Nightmare. So, she was that kind of personality, yung babae si Molina, no? Highly high profile corporate lawyer. So, sabi nila it's hard to be on top, but I'm not on top. Hindi mo na ako mayaman eh. Di ba? Hindi mo na ako mayaman. I still pay my bills. I live from day to day. I don't have much cash on the bank. It's just enough to keep me running. Okay. But I have my savings there that I can pull out from time to time. But of course, it's depleting, and I need to sell my other properties in order to refill it, or I can work with my family corporation and try to dispose the properties left by my mom and my dad. So, ang nasettle lang namin are the properties abroad. Pero sa Philippines, hindi pa. Ang nagalaw lang namin is Bel Air, you know. But there's ang daming ano I need to take care of, which is napabayaan and na-ignore. Okay. Um, that's one of my work. Actually, I help my family corporation. Actually, ang dami ko ng utang na kontrata na in regards to rentals because we have a lot of rental properties, commercial, residential apartments. Um, of course, meron kami mga white elephants. Uh, that's my work actually to turn the white elephants into a profitable investment. I have my own white elephants. Um, Probably the reason why I'm sharing it is so for people to understand me, to understand because you will not understand me in regards to my postings. Probably most of you will somehow kind of like analyze and have um, well conclusions, not really conclusions, but analysis on myself, right? Um, Probably, of course, I travel. Traveling is my escape. It keeps my sanity. Some people they drink, some people they buy expensive clothings, expensive bags or shoes or cars. I don't. I'm not into that. As you, nakita nyo, parati ako nakasanto. Nakapambahay lang ako parati. And then yung pambahay ko, paulit-ulit pa yan. Like this sando, I will wear this for 2 weeks before ko palaban. Ganun ako eh. Hindi sa batipid. It's just like, pwede pa namang suotin eh, so why not? No, right? Yung ano, no, yung phlegm na nag-exit, andyan na. So, I also lost my voice with this virus, you know. And then, despite, of course, I have my Mikos vinyl that I have to spend time with. The live selling, the paniningil, the acquisition, the previews that I do for the reels on social media. That's a lot of work. But I enjoy it because it's my passion. Music is my passion. If I preview music, I feel high because I love that music that I'm playing. Okay. I have to work on my anti-aging. I'm experimenting on my anti-aging. I'm experimenting with my peptides. Okay. I'm experimenting with my red light therapy. Okay. Uh, ito, itong malaking bombilya. But that really works. My God. Yung skin ko, pag ginanon mo, oh, wala ka na mahihila. Dati laglag talaga yan. As in, ganon. Nag-ano siya, na nag-lift. Okay, not because of the peptides, because of that light, you know, because it activates the cells underneath my skin. See? Pag hinila mo, oh, wala ka na mahila. Oh, yan, todo. Oh, oh, yan yung walang hila. Hmm. Meron, yes, meron pa konti. Pero if that worked, of course, ito pa, hindi pa ako nakaka-gym. Hindi pa ako nag-gym yan. What if mag-gym pa ako? Which is my biggest hurdle for now. My greatest challenge is to go back to the fucking gym. That's why I woke up early. I slept early actually. Hindi na ako masyadong lumalabas on a Friday or Saturday. Well, I don't really. I go out on Monday, actually, Monday night. But I don't know if I'm gonna go out. But usually I go out on, of course, like Thursday because that's my dancing day on sa dance studio. But I miss Cafe 80s, like yeah, in Quezon City. Paano ka punta Quezon City? Baha, no? And then the rallies were there. The rallies, the baha, all this. Para bang na-isolate yung Quezon City to Makati, no? Although it's just close. It's just like what? Like 5 kilometers away in EDSA. And yet, we're world apart. Because of EDSA, no? Because of it's gonna be the traffic, it's gonna be the rally, it's gonna be the flooding. So okay. I'll close this muna, no, as part one. Then I'll do another part two in regards to I want to blog about that fucking movie. Hindi siya matanggal sa utak ko. Yung Beautiful Nightmare. Only few Filipino films had an impact on me. I'm a movie enthusiast. I collect award-winning films. Okay? Hindi basurang films, ha? Hindi mga vice ganda. Okay? because movies they teach you a lesson. You reflect on their lives, which you don't see often, because now we live in a world of isolation. We only communicate via social media. Wala na masyado interaction. Unless yung katrabaho mo, yun lang namimit mo. Minsan di pa kayo nagmimit, nag-zoom pa kayo. With my friends, of course, parang ang dami kong friends, so bilang na bilang yun. Dalawa lang yata. You know what? Think about it. Friend ko lang yata dalawa. Dalawa lang. The rest kasi, either iba na kami ng buhay. Um, Marami akong friends, but yung hindi ko na na-interact. It's because either they're busy or may sakit na, they cannot go out. Um, Marami na silang ano ba tawag doon? Ano ba yun? Yung morbidity, parang gano'n. Yung mga may sakit na. High blood, whatever, uric acid, high blood, basta may sakit, kidney problem, liver problem. So, how can I invite them to walk with me or go to the gym with me or go dancing with me? I go dancing alone. What a world. I guess I'm alone. I need to face that reality. I'm alone. I'm alone walking my life. There's nobody there who can really fully understand me. There's a lot of people who loves me. Okay, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of people who loves me and they want me to be with them. But the problem is I need to live my own life. I cannot anymore adjust. Um, well, of course, if I love them, I have to adjust, right? Especially my siblings, you know. I if I will tell them I want to live with you and get me for free, they will. They will. Uh, in fact, they will be telling me, well, a lot, even my friends, a lot of my rich friends, you know, pag sinabi ko, ampunin mo na lang ako, aampunin nila ako. Trust me, they will. Uh, because alam naman nila hindi ako pabigat. I know how to iwan mo ako sa bahay. It's okay. I can clean the house. I can do household works. Uh, Hindi ako magulo. Wala akong bisyo. You know, I don't smoke. I drink from time to time, but I'm not a drunk. Hindi ako yung nagwawala or gumugulong sa sahig or nagsusuka. That's not me. Okay? It's like a social drinker. That's it. Anyway, yeah, talking about alone. Tapusin ko lang to alone. Then I close it, okay? I guess I don't think so. It's only me. Probably a lot of people feel like what I'm feeling, but some are just helpless because financially they're not independent. So if probably they have the money, they will do what I'm doing. um, do their passion in life. But some are blinded as well. They are blinded with a fake culture that we have. Um, that's a big topic. The fake culture. Uh, it's sad because malungkot because nakakaawa yung mga living a life na peke naman. Hindi peke. Uh, a life of deception na pinaniwala sila ng culture, ng media, that you should live a life like this. Okay? No. Uh, a life could be simple. I'm living a simple life. Akala, they get this wrong notion because like, parang post ako, I'm in a flashy restaurant. I post my food, I post my travel, um, but that's not being. I'm not rich. No, I'm not. Um, I wear the same shoes all the time. Yung ano ba to? Yung Japanese. That's my only shoes. Ito. Nakalimutan ko itatak nito eh. Ito. Yan o. That's what I wear all the time. Yeah, but it's from Japan. Ito, Tiger. I forgot the name. Yeah, yeah, I wear this big sando. Nakita pa yung boss ko. Yeah, so that's what I do. Huh? Um, Mostly, yeah, being alone. Tapusin natin being alone. Then I'll discuss to you my anti-aging regimens and the movie Beautiful Nightmare. Okay. So yeah, being alone probably maraming nakakaramdam nung nararamdaman ko pero siguro hindi nila nasasabi because they know a lot of people will get hurt. Okay? Ako lang naman yung malakas ang loob magsalita eh. Na walang preno. Hindi sa nagdadakdak ako or whatever, or I'm ranting, no. I'm done with that. I'm done with that, you know. I don't even talk about politics anymore. I don't talk about religion. I don't talk about, something because a lot of people have this certain fanaticism or ideology that they protect dahil kumakapit sila doon. Kumakapit sila because without that ideology, uh, maguguho yung mundo nila. Because they made this supreme supreme being to protect them, to makakapitan. Kasi nga, a lot of people now, they feel helpless. Wala na silang makapitan. So they create this thing. Okay, I'll mention one, the Bible. Yeah, they go to the Bible. Not only the Bible, marami dyan. Marami pang religion. They go to this thing like, the Bible, then they hold on to it. I'm not saying the Bible's not right. I read the Bible. I still read the Bible. Okay. But I don't depend my life on that book. Okay. I base it on my own principle and my own analogy, my own rational thinking and logic. Okay? Sinabi nga sa Bible, di ba? God can help you only, but you need to do the rest. Correct? Kaya yun, mahirap talaga because like you're alone and You are faced with all these problems, and probably a lot of you are sick. And I feel guilty about it because pinapakita ko na yung lifestyle ko. I don't know ba't di niya ako ginagaya. Well, kung wala kayong sauna, okay, I can understand. Okay? Pwede naman kayo makisona sa akin dito eh. I have my infrared sauna in Bikutan. Wala namang gumagamit doon. I have my infrared also in my beach house. Okay? Hindi pwede wala sauna. I need to sweat every day. Either through exercise or sauna. Siyempre sauna. Tamad ako mag-exercise eh. Yeah, that's isa pa yun na kailangan. I have to be because my body is telling me to die. Naka-program na ako mamatay, no? So I need to fight it off. I need to fight back. Because my genetic memory is telling my brain, tell him not to move anymore because dapat namamatay na siya at his age. Okay? So, yan, nilalabanan ko yon. I try. Okay? Mas masarap sana kung may kasama ako who will be in my journey. But, kanya-kanyang buhay yan eh. Kanya-kanyang destiny. Kanya-kanyang problema. Meron may mga pamilya. Siyempre, unahin niya yung pamilya niya. Eh, meron mga pamilya dyan, left and right ang mga problema. May nagiging drug addict, may nawawala ng pera, naghihirap, may sakit, may naospital, may binuburol. How can they be? How can they walk with me if they're carrying a lot of burden? I can understand it. It's not natural, but it's a fact of life. What they are what they are what that's experiencing, they're undertaking, they're so I understand it. Okay, hindi man ako nagreklamo being alone. Nasanay na ako. Sanay na ako. I was alone since I was like, what, 5? Okay. Ay, naku, naisip ko lang nung 5 years old ako. I was already talking to God. Medyo naiyak ako doon. And all the questions I asked God. Alam mo sabi ko lang, my prayer, God, teach me what is the truth. Teach me what reality is. And nothing else. Yun ang pinipray ko noon. Bata pa ako. Was I advanced for my age? I guess yes. Because I was questioning heaven and hell. I still remember when I was like grade 1, grade 2 in St. Paul, Makati. I asked the nun, sabi ko, where's heaven? Heaven is not up there because up there is the sky, then the space, then the planets, then the universe. Anyway, I guess it's only already 30 minutes, huh? So final note. If you feel like me, like you're alone in your journey, that's natural because we will all die alone. Do not cry over it. We are always alone and we will die alone. Okay? So, may hirap, may kalungkutan, but you have to know the value of your being and what your service to mankind. Like sinabi nga sa Beautiful Stranger, it's creation. you know. We have to be, being here on earth is a creation of God. And by trying, but this creation, it's perfectly it's perfectly just okay. Nakuha mo? Walang perfection eh. You can't have a perfect life. Kahit yung mga bilyonaryo, malungkot yan. What you feel is what they feel. Trust me. Para mas malungkot nga sila eh. Hanggang mamatay, nagtatrabaho pa sila. Protecting their money. They are a slave to their own wealth. Kaya minsan, how I envy yung mga nagbibenta ng mais. Yung mga nasa bangketa. Pumunta kang Quiapo. Parati silang nakatawa. And yet, probably they're living in somewhere in a barong-barong, or they have to live from day to day. Na-experience ko yun nung lumayas ako when I was a waiter. Nakakabayad ako ng renta. Ang renta ko noon was 75 pesos a month as a bed spacer. And then I get free food for being a waiter, and I get tips. Hanggang lumaki na lumaki alkansya ko dahil sa mga coins, no? And wala naman akong bisyo noon. Wala naman akong ano. So, I don't smoke. I don't drink. Um, so, I was happy then. Kahit yung tinitirahan ko, wala nga akong kutsyon eh. Yung kama ko ng kahoy. Which I prefer. Because I was a yogi during that time. Alam mo ba, a yogi cannot sleep. They're not allowed to sleep in a soft bed. That's bad for their back. Okay? It has to be flat, solid when you sleep. That's the ideal bed. It's not the memory foam bed. No, it's not. You can research on it. The best bed are the flat bed na kahoy. Hindi lang kayo nasanay because you grew up with luxurious beds. Okay? Hay, pati kama pinag-usapan natin. So, yun lang, no? I think that's the topic of being alone. And we will all die alone with nothing. Okay? Happy Monday.